Hi everyone, this video is for my dear CSET students. Tomorrow is your exam and I'm sure you might be either a little worried or confident. There's only two things that you can be, right? See, this is the first time you're going to give a professional exam. Don't worry. Whatever you have prepared in the previous 2 months is enough. You cannot do anything about it anymore, right? So if you would have taken the coaching from us, I'm sure you would be confident by now. Even if you have not taken the coaching from us, you would still be confident, I'm sure, if you have prepared well. Now, what is this last minute tips that I'm going to give you to help you become more confident for your exam tomorrow? See, whatever you have studied is done. Now, you cannot really do anything more about it, right? Whatever topics, if you have not done, say, okay, just bring it, like don't worry about what the topics you have not done. Today's day, MCQ matta practice pannunga. Okay, go through very important tip which is there is go through the CSET bulletins. If you have not gone through website, you can open the website of ICSI. Past 4-5 months के CSET bulletins ले अन्य MCQ के alla subjects के do it really well. It will hardly take 1 hour के maximum 1 hour only it will take. Go through all that MCQs. If another thing what you can do is if you feel that nariya MCQ na practice pann liya hai ko enna panno, download our app Shilpi's Academy. Idile free MCQ test series irke. Practice that. Last day, exam today you cannot do any more studying. Okay. The concepts that you can revise again. Okay, but today's focus should be more on MCQ practice from CSET bulletins and the test series that you have done. Next attention ma'am, first time that I'm appearing for online test. What if there is some issues with the network? What if there is some issues with my laptop? See, what if we cannot do anything about it, right? You should have some basic backup for electricity. Make sure that your entire laptop is charged. If you have a lot of power cut in your house, try to be at a place where you have some UPS backup or something of that sort. At least laptop fully charged it should be. So make sure that like you have still time today in the evening. Make sure that your webcam is working properly, audio proper work, our battery backup is proper. Just test all that things about your laptop today itself. Today itself you can go to some shop and get it rectified, right? So don't worry too much about it. If network issue it can be sorted. You might get another attempt for your CSET once again. So don't think on those terms that what if this happens, what if that happens. Just focus on practicing your MCQ. Topics you have revised very well, now focus on that. We have also attached in the video's description current affairs or pudu current affairs, updated current affairs ke topics 5-6 pages we have attached that in the link below. Go through that. Maths major logical reasoning ke concepts you can revise and focus on MCQ. Last but not the least, relax yourself, listen to some nice music, eat balanced food, do some meditation, talk to a friend who makes you feel good. In the madri things you should do and just focus for tomorrow's exam. All the best. Bye-bye.